Okay, it's called schistomiasis. So, is it schistomiasis? Yes. It's schistomiasis, yes. In English, it's called schistomiasis. Okay, so yes, that's 1 point. انت تحس ان هي يعني مش مضره لو هي بلاريس. Okay, so okay, so guys, are you ready for the discussion? People here, team A, team B, team C. Okay, so now we will start our recorded conversation. So, okay, all of you please pay attention. Okay, now we will have two teams together. They will be against each other. You will say the causes and effects, okay, of the disease, and they will guess here, guys. You will guess what is the cause, what is the disease based on the cause and effect, okay? So, you can start please telling us what is the cause and the effect of this disease.
The cause, the dirty medical equipment.
Raise your voice, please.
The cause, the dirty medical equipment. The effect, death.
Death. Okay, great. So, guys, the effect is death. Well, and the cause, what was it again?
The dirty medical equipment.
The dirty medical equipments. Can you guess what is this disease? Virus C. Is it virus C? No. Well, any other guess? Coronavirus? No. Okay, I'm sorry, you lost your guess. Now, you will say your cause and effect, and they will guess. So please, your cause and effect, what is it? Your cause. What is the reason? Genetic? Okay, the last two teams here. Well, you will start saying the cause and effect, and you will guess, okay? So, what is your cause and effect? Go ahead. You start. No Arabic. Okay, it comes from playing in the swamps and... Okay, it's called schistomiasis. So, is it schistomiasis? Yes. It's schistomiasis, yes. In English, it's called schistomiasis. Okay, so yes, that's 1 point. انت تحس ان هي يعني مش مضره لو هي بلاريس. Okay, so now. Okay. قال لك لا. Okay, so now guys, it's your turn. Tell me the cause and effect. Cause, listen, cause by? Mosquito bite. You know the mosquito?
The effects are yellow skin, coma, fever, or death.
Great. So what is it? It can lead to death at the end. Coma and fever. Well, it's caused by mosquito. You know the insect. Corona. No. No answer? Well, so what is it? Malaria. Okay. You can sit down.